Do you love solving mind-bending riddles or cracking murder mysteries? Imagine combining the thrill of a whodunit with the power of viral videos. Today, I'll show you how to turn simple mystery riddles into engaging, million-view YouTube shorts using free AI tools. And guess what? You don't need any prior experience. In just a few simple steps, you could be raking in thousands of views and even cash by posting these addictive videos. Let's dive in. Murder mystery riddle videos are absolutely blowing up right now, effortlessly attracting millions of views. The best part? The competition is low, which means there's a huge opportunity for you to step in and succeed. Take a look at this rising channel with just 23 shorts, gaining a staggering 77,000 subscribers, and nearly all their videos have gone viral. Are you ready to capture the attention of millions with your own riddle shorts? Stick around because I'm going to break it down, step by step. We'll start by generating the script. For this, we'll use ChatGPT to quickly come up with intriguing mystery riddles. Copy the riddles, and boom, you have your script in seconds. Next, we'll create the voiceover using the 11 Labs website. Just paste your script and select the popular Atom voice. It's trending for a reason. It's captivating and adds that professional touch to your videos. Now, for the visuals, you can use various AI websites like Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, or my personal favorite, Leonardo AI. Just type in your prompt, and once you're happy with the results, download the images to use in your video. Let's put it all together. We'll use CapCut, which is super user-friendly, to edit the video, import the images and voiceover, then add cool transitions and effects to make your content pop. And don't forget to add trending sounds. Grab no copyright music from YouTube's audio library to boost your video's engagement. Now let's also see our final result. A man is found dead on a Sunday. The police question the wife and staff. The wife says she was sleeping, the cook was cooking breakfast, the gardener was planting, the maid was getting the mail, and the butler was polishing the silverware. The police immediately arrest the murderer. Who is the killer?